Choosing the right asphalt paving contractor is critical to your paving project. Whether it's the driveway on your property, a school parking lot, a basketball court, or city street, the quality of work depends greatly on the asphalt paving contractor you choose. It's best that the asphalt paving contractor have a full line of asphalt paving equipment such as asphalt pavers, rollers, graders, seal coaters, and more. What this means is that the company is equipped to most efficiently provide you with the best outcome, whether it be a large-scale project or a small-scale project. You'll be investing a lot of money into this project that should last you for years, so you want to get an accurate and detailed estimate for your project. You'll want to be sure to ask the right questions. An excavation is basically removing the existing asphalt, whether it be damaged or not, disposing of it, then regrading and recompacting the existing site. Base course is your foundation for a good paving project. It is the actual aggregate that lies beneath the asphalt. It is one of the integral parts of having a successful paving project. An asphalt paver, also known as a spreader, places the asphalt material onto the driveway, tennis court, basketball court, or otherwise. After the asphalt is placed, the mat is compacted by a roller. The roller ensures that the freshly paved asphalt is bound, tightened, and sealed. Please remember, when choosing a paving contractor, Peterson Services provides quality work and great customer service. So whether you're paving a driveway, tennis court, or parking lot, call Peterson Services Incorporated at 808-678-9527. We service all islands statewide.